Slovenia's first official EuroBasket game will be. So away we go with some summertime hoops on his figure this summer. That's been highly publicized. He's on the cover of Men's Health as he tries to set up. Well, Germany had a strong showing last summer in the Olympic Games. Trying to see if that'll carry over here in EuroBasket. Isaac Bonga with the bucket for Germany, and the answer from Luka Dončič. First trip down for Slovenia. Now has the first field goal, and it comes from three-point territory for the 26-year-old superstar. Catch and shoot in Germany. Wagner sees a crease and slams it through, plus the foul. There's Luka through the contact, flipped it up there, and a kiss off the glass with 5 of the first 8 for Slovenia here in Slovenia. Dončić with the whip inside, the oohs and ahs, and the turnaround bounce in. That one off the back rim and taken by Germany. Easy 2 as the Germans use their benches. That's a deep 3, and it's on target. In an Eastern Conference that certainly has a lot of question marks at the moment. Dončić, the sidestep, tried to toss it inside. Instead, he turns it over. Leads to a run out for Germany and a two-hand smash. And Germany's lead is 2. Corner pop won't go. Tapped out, second effort for Germany. And it leads to the second chance triple. Kramer has his 3 responded to. Tristan De Silva with a toss inside. Back to De Silva for 3, and he sticks it down the 3. 24-year-old, played at the University of Colorado. Also part of that Magic young core. BA's rookie season with Orlando. Weideman with the flip. Voigtman with the splash. And a plus 15 discrepancy in free throw attempts for Slovenia here in Slovenia, which is not uncommon. Nice find inside, and they score with all the free throw trips for Slovenia. There's a step back 3, and it's off the back iron. Tapped around, taken inside by Germany for a second chance. Quick trigger from the corner. Gets it back, requesting a screen. Shot clock into single digits. Dončić, nice feed inside. The up fake, and they're in. Dončić with the shot clock into single digits. Euro step. He's ready for EuroBasket. A flip to give Slovenia the lead. Luka Dončić is there as it's recovered for a moment. Now taken away. And a right-hand finish plus the foul. Could not cash in on the free throw. And Slovenia jumps back in front. Luka Dončić. Bonga on the turnaround. De Silva on the offensive glass, and Bonga taken away by Germany, and it leads to another right-hand fit. Walled off, it leaves Luka open, and he buries the 3. Dončić, middle of the summer. How about mid-season 4? Free throw missed, but ricochets right back to him. Tristan De Silva. Oh, it bounces in. There's a deep 3 on target. Germany goes up 10. Contested three, it's deep. Comes up short, second effort. Nice put. Nice adjustment. Across the lane. Germany was looking for a foul call, didn't get it. Here comes Dončič. A floater across the floor, and off balance three, and it's good. Whiteman with it. Now Wagner will go to work. Strong finish. Also, Asia Cup game is still ongoing on our platform. So a lot of good basketball to get you through the summer. Yet Germany still leads on the scoreboard, 55-51. Wagner gets downhill and finishes off the glass. Those three-point shots kind of cut you to the heart. Take away, Wagner the flip, and it's a double-figure lead for Germany. Slovenia 26 of 39 now. Be much closer if they were a bit better. Beautiful ball movement from Germany, leads to the open, gets it away inside. Dončič knifing through, and finally tapped back in out of the timeout. Whiteman triggers a contested three and splash. Da Silva with a nice no-look feed, and it sets up Germany. And they go back up by 13. Dished out 16 assists. The slicing action lead. Radovic with his first field goal. There's Da Silva turning and scoring. Also gets it back with the shot clock into single digits. Going baseline, the reverse off the glass. That one ripped away. Half-court heave. He banked it in! A miraculous finish to the third quarter for Germany, and they take their biggest lead. A rip away and an answered prayer as that one goes. Wonder how much we'll see of Luka Dončič down the stretch in this game. That's a big hit from the outside. Blocked inside. Little light. Wonder what that'll look like. Sure enough, Luka Dončič is back in the game. He's requesting the basketball, and he sticks the three. Well, you talk about instant offense. You bring Luka back in the game with the start Slovenia has had to this fourth quarter. Dončič still not on the floor. Da Silva. 82-68. A teardrop is Obst contested. Almost banked it in. And another offensive rebound. There's too many of these for Germany down the stretch. Voigtman with a kick. Whiteman connects. Well, Germany plus 16 on the glass as Whiteman turns the corner and picks up. A drive to the basket and a left-hand flip. His first two-point make. He's connected a couple of times from the outside. Germany 66% on twos. Jurkovic has the bucket inside. Anderson will peel back and splashes in the three. McCaslin smiling ear to ear. Had the highlight reel dunk earlier and a nice step back three. A three-point make here could make it a single-digit game. They'll keep attacking though, and two more. Mid-post, Bonga backing his way in. Spins right and floats. That'll work with Luka off the floor. Bonga lets it fly. Offensive rebound. And a second chance. That one off the side of the backboard. Slovenia with a nice hustle to take it back. And a two-hand crusher. Nice find inside and another two-hand slam. Made threes in the game. And that off-balance shot falls out to Silva. The offense faithful even in defeat tonight. No Luka down the stretch, and you wonder if the final would have looked any different. Fair to say that Mo Wagner on the other side being out affected Germany, but Germany with a good showing on both ends of the floor.